Hi guys! For those who don't know me, my name is Larissa, I'm an artist. Today we will draw one eye. It's going to be a beautiful eye, and all beginners who never draw before can start and drawing with me, and this will come up really good. And don't be hard on yourself, because the style will what I will show you is going to be a very easy and simple style, so anyone can pick it up, that kind of style. So nothing like extreme professional styles, no, just very simple, so even kids or adults who just trying to learn how to draw easy can do it. Let's beginning. For this drawing we would need a piece of paper. If you guys don't have a special for the charcoal, because I will draw with a charcoal pencils, color pencils, but they are charcoal. So the pencils would be this kind of colors: white, black, orange, different type of orange, red, and yellow, brown. Also the paper, if you don't have particular for the charcoal paper, you can use any kind of whatever you have, and eraser very important to have. Okay, let's begin, let's have fun. So our work is complete. It's very easy. If you do this kind of work with the charcoals, colorful charcoals first time, don't be hard on yourself. Whatever it comes is fine, absolutely fine. I did this for first time with charcoal, but I did a lot of eyes with oil or acrylic. So what you need to do, because it's a charcoal and it's very kind of like a fragile, if you touch with your hands, it's easy to smudge. That's why you see me, I've been smudging with my fingers, like make it like a smooth, pretty cool looking effect. We would need to spray your work. There's a special for the charcoals or acrylic, like a sprays. I have final varnish spray for oil and acrylic. I can use this one, or if you don't have either one, you can use a regular hairspray. You just get your hairspray, what you spray in your hair. I guess it's only for the girls, but if a boys doesn't have one, just you can get a small hairspray. And what you need to do, spray just a little bit from afar, so it sits a little bit like a little bit and kind of like a suck in. And after what you need to do, spray a little bit more, a little bit weight, so it's not like you pouring with your hairspray all over and it start dripping. What happens if you put too much hairspray, it start like the colors mix. We don't want to do that. We can mix the color in another kind of project, but this particular we're trying to keep the colors together because we already kind of like smudge them and we want to keep that way. So spray a little bit, wait when it's dry, a little bit spray again and a little bit again. And well, to put in the frame if you want, or just keep in your folder, artwork folder. Thank you for watching.